right, somebody asked me how to insert a path into their zoo project, so I just wanted to show you really quickly. If you go up to this icon right here, you can select Polyline, and that will allow you to draw a, let's say I want you to go from the giraffe to the park using this path. I'm going to click on every little turn, and I'm basically making an outline of a shape that I want to make my path in. And so this is, it sort of already picked this gray color because that was the last color I had used in my fill bucket. But what if I want you to kind of still see those squares? I can go to fill color and I can go to custom down here. I can press that little plus sign and I can slide down here the transparency so that you can see through. It's still colored, but you can see through it and you can see how many units are behind it. And that is how I can make a little path. I use this select line, I made polyline, and then I went to fill custom and I slided down the transparency. And so I can still change the transparency by clicking on it and saying custom, and I can slide it and make it darker or lighter, more or less transparent, and you can see less of the lines behind it in this instance, but you can still kind of see them. So that is how you can insert a path.